Youyuan Machinery Technology Company Limited is located in Linyi City, Shandong Province. It is close to Qingdao Port, very convenient in traffic. Our associated factory has a complete production line from bicycle frames to plastic parts and other spare parts, so we can keep the e-bike quality from each step. The main products are two-wheels e-bike, electric tricycle, and electric motorcycle, etc., which are mainly exported to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, North America, and European countries. What's more, we receive good feedback about service and quality. We are not made for sales, but also for development of the market all over the world. Do our best to satisfy customers' need and guarantee quality is our principle. We have enough ready stock for quick delivery and accept sample orders for trial. It only takes about 7 to 10 work days after get deposit for produce 140-feet container bicycles. We also accept OEM and ODM orders. Whether you are selecting a product from our existing catalog or seeking help with engineering applications, please feel free to contact our customer service center and let us know your purchasing requirements. Quality creates value. Professional achievement succeeds. Based on the operating principle of mutual benefit, we have won the trust of customers with professional services, high-quality product prices, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome domestic and foreign customers to cooperate with us and achieve common success.
We can provide you electric bicycles and tricycles to meet your requirements. Welcome you to contact us.
Hello, this is Jane. Hope we can achieve win-win. Thank you.